This is Heidi Caswell again with WordPress 101 for Beamers. And we're going to go back into part 2 on our settings. We already looked and see how to log into your admin panel and to change the title of your website, how to change the tagline of your website. And we're going to go on into some more things that you can do in the settings. Okay, I'm here in settings, and this time we're under reading in settings. And this is where you can change some different things as to what's showing up on the front page of your blog. You may want to have just your blog post showing up as the front page on your blog. And that is kind of what's showing up over there right now. It's got a sample post here. We'll take that off and add some real posts to it. And it's also got a sample page here. But we can change this. We can have it like if you want to have, if you're using WordPress for a business site, then it's quite likely you may want your home page to be a page, not a blog post. And it may be talking some about your business. And that can be done, and you don't have to have all these sidebars and things either. Same thing with WordPress. It can actually not have a blog part to it if you want. It could just be all pages here. I do recommend having a blog part with it that gives you a chance to hold a conversation with the people that come by and to share your expertise and tips and things that can help. But again, WordPress is it's very flexible. You can choose how you want to use it. Over here in the settings, if you want to have your front page be a static page, that's a page, not a post. The posts change each time you write a new post. The newest one's on top. But on the static page, you can have, like, I have a sample page, and we can put the sample page there. We don't have a place for the post to show up yet. We can do something with that in just a minute, but I'm going to hit Save Changes and show you what happens when we make the sample page. Okay, now you can see that if I was to go over here to the home page, the home page is now the sample page when I refreshed it. And but you can't see where the blog posts are. They're not really showing up. I can go here for recent posts, and it'll go to the post there. But let's say maybe you want to have a little tab up here that says blog. And if you want to do it that way, let me show you how to change the settings for that. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go click on Pages. We're going to leave the settings for a minute. And we're going to create a new page. Go Add New. And it's going to pop up with a new thing here. Here's Add New. And I'm just going to just simply call it Blog. You can call it something else. If you got like tips or something else you want to call it, you can do that. And we're not going to put any information in here or do anything with this, but we're just going to hit Publish. And then we're going to go back over here into Settings, and we're going to go down to the Reading and Settings. And I'm going to show you how we're going to make the blog post can show up in and the navigation bar, because that's very helpful to have it show up that way. Okay, the post page is the front page is sample page. That's the one we're having for this, and that could be any page you make. A sample page we'll delete later and have a real page on there. The post page, it can be blog. And we're going to save changes, and I'll show you how that works as it goes on over. Okay, I refresh the site, and now we have another tab up here on the navigation bar, and the blog. And then if we go and then we click on blog, it takes us to the blog post, and then the home is the sample page. It's the page that we have right now for the front one. And so it's very versatile. You can use WordPress to just have it, your front page can be whichever way you want it. And if you want to change things, you can always go in and change things. So have fun with this.